This is Realme 13 Plus 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have bought this phone, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. Whenever you use your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications. But there's a gesture by which you can easily open these applications. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe up like this from the corner. Then it will drag all the apps around your thumb, and you can simply open any application with the help of this icon pull down gesture. Whenever you will open this app drawer, it will open this keyboard and this search bar. It feels really annoying, but if you want to disable this, then simply click on this manage and then click on app drawer settings. Firstly, disable the display keyboard when entering app drawer, and also disable this show app suggestions. Now whenever you will open your app drawer, it will not open that annoying keyboard or enable this search box. If you like to multitask, then you must enable the next feature. The feature's name is Smart Sidebar, and by default this feature is disabled. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on Accessibility and Convenience. There you will see the option of Smart Sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. Then it will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen, as you can see. To open this, you simply have to swipe to the left on this sidebar like this. Then it will open your sidebar. Here you can temporarily save your files in file doc. You can screenshot it, and you can also translate any page in the real time with the help of this screen translate feature. You can also edit this. Simply click on edit and then add your favorite application to this sidebar. You can also remove unnecessary application from this. After this, click on done. Now whenever you will open any application from this smart sidebar, it will open it in floating window, as you can see. So you can keep on using your smartphone normally and it will remain as floating window on your screen. So with the help of this smart sidebar, you can multitask a lot. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Simply open your settings and then swipe up by using your three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. For example, I want to use my YouTube application with my Chrome. And as you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on Accessibility and Convenience. Scroll down and then click on Gesture and Motions. There on the top you will see the option of Screen Off Gesture. Firstly, enable Screen Off Gestures and then enable this double tap to wake or turn off screen. Now come to your home screen and tap and hold on the home screen. Click on more and also enable this double tap to lock. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area. It will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, it will wake your screen up. If you want to increase the lifespan of your battery, then simply enable the next feature. Simply open your settings and then click on battery and then enable this smart charging. It will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. So with the help of that, you can increase the life of your battery and use your phone a little bit longer. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed in your status bar, and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings and then click on notification and status bar. Click on status bar and then enable this real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your network speed in your status bar. Here in the same status bar settings, you can also change this battery percentage style. You can also show it outside the battery, so it will look more clearer. So with the help of this, you can change the icon as well. If you want to change it to vertical loop, as you can see, you can select your favorite one and then come back. So with the help of this, you can change the icon and battery percentage style in the smartphone. In this smartphone, you can clone any application, not just social media application. You can clone any application. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this. It will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Select the application you want to clone. For example, I want to clone my Snapchat. It will take few seconds. After that, it will clone that application. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Snapchats now, and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you're using your phone with a single hand, then it feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control center. but there is a gesture by which you can easily open this. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select app drawer. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area. It will open your notification center as well as your control center. This phone have different levels of brightness for your torch. Simply tap and hold on the torch icon, and here you can select different levels as per your liking of this torch. This phone have different fingerprint animations. Simply open your settings and then click on wallpaper and style. Scroll down and then click on fingerprint animations. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one for your fingerprint animation. In same wallpaper and style settings, you will see the option of edge lighting. Click on this and you can select your favorite one. Now someone will message you or call you. It will show that edge lighting as you can see in the preview on the corner of your smartphone. You can get the clearest voice on your voice calls or video calls in this smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down and there you will see the option of clear voice. Click on this and then enable this. As you can see, it is for your phone calls and video calls for Meet and Instagram calls. So this will filter out all that background noise and give you the clearest voice experience. In same sound and vibration settings, you will see the option of O reality audio. If you will click on this, here you can select your different categories as per your different scenarios. For example, if you're watching movie, you can select your movie category, then it will give you a little bit extra immersive sound experience as per your different categories. If you want to hide your photos, videos and different files, you don't have to download any kind of vault for that. You can simply do that by following these steps. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and then click on private safe. Now firstly you have to set a privacy password. Click on set password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can use a different password type. Here I select use a different password type. You can select 4 to 16-digit password, pattern, alphanumeric. Here I select pattern, draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer a security question and then click on this right icon. Now select the file you want to hide. For example, I want to hide some of my images. Click on images and video and then click on this add. Select the photo and then click on set as private. Now whenever you want to access your hidden photos or video, simply come to your settings and open the security and privacy and this private safe, draw your privacy password, and that's how you can access your hidden photos or videos. If you long press the power button in the smartphone, then it will launch the Google Assistant app instead of opening your power menu. If you want to send it back to power menu, then simply open your settings, click on accessibility and convenience, scroll down to the bottom and then click on power button. Click on press and hold the power button. By default it is selected to voice assistant. You have to select power menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this long pressing your power button as your voice assistant, and now if you want to open your power menu, then simply you can press the power button and volume up button at the same time like this, then it will launch your power menu. If you want to change these 3-button navigation to gesture navigation, then simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system and update. Click on system navigation. Here you can also change the position of these 3 buttons. For example, if you want to drag this back button from the right to left, you can select this one, it will change the position. And now if you want to change it from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation, then select the gesture and then click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent apps like this and jump to your home screen like this. You can also monitor your heart rate with the help of this next feature. Simply open your settings and then open this Realme Lab. Click on heart rate measurement, click on agree and continue and then place your thumb on this sensor. It will take few seconds. After that it will show your real-time heartbeat in this smartphone. But keep in mind, don't use this for medical purposes. You can also turn on your flashlight when your screen is locked. To enable this feature, simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on accessibility and convenience. Scroll down and then click on gesture and motions. There you will see the option of turn on or off torch with volume button. Enable this. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. So with the help of this gesture, you can turn on or off your flashlight even when your smartphone is locked. There are a lot of screen of gestures, so with the help of that you can open your favorite application without unlocking your smartphone. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility and convenience. Scroll down and then click on gesture and motion and then screen of gestures. Here the first one is draw an O to open camera. If you enable this, and then when your phone is locked you can simply draw a O, then it will launch your camera application, as you can see. So you can enable this if you want to quickly access your camera application without unlocking your smartphone. The second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, now whenever your phone is locked you can simply draw a V. It will turn on your flashlight, and if you will draw it again it will turn off your flashlight. Now if you want to set any your favorite application for different letters, firstly enable any of these letters. For example, I have enabled draw a M and then click on this launch assistant. Click on open an app, then select your favorite application. For example, I like YouTube a lot and I use that a lot. Simply select your YouTube application. And now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a M and then it will automatically launch the YouTube application. You can also set for different symbols. So with the help of that, you can open your favorite application when your phone is locked. You can also change the shape, size, or even the name of any application. Simply tap and hold on this and then click on icons. Here you have different shapes. You can also click on custom and select your favorite shape. Now if you want to change the size of these, here you will see the option of icon. You can drag this and change the size of this application. After this, click on done. Now if you want to change the name of any application, then simply tap and hold on the apps icon and then click on edit. There you will see the option of app name. Click on this and then set your name and then click on done. So that's how you can change the shape, size, and even the name of any application in this smartphone. You can also hide any application in this smartphone and you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings and then click on security and privacy. Scroll down and then click on hide apps. You have to set a privacy password, but we have already done this. Simply draw your privacy password and then select the application you want to hide. For example, I want to hide my Facebook. Now you have to set an access code to access your hidden apps. Click on set now. Set your access code, but keep in mind you have to start your access code with hash and also end it with hash. For example, I have said hash 1234 hash. Click on this right icon and then click on done. Now open your dialer and then type your access code. And that's how you can access your hidden apps. Open your camera application and then click on these three lines on the top. Click on settings, scroll down and then click on volume button action. Click on this and then select zoom. Now whenever you are on camera application, you can use this volume button as your zoom button. You can zoom in by long pressing your volume up button and then zoom out by pressing your volume down button. So you can this one to get the feel of manual camera in this smartphone. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Realme 13 Plus smartphone. If you like this video, then let us know in the comment section, drop a like. So we will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.